Hello Gundam fans! Welcome to our another video featuring BlockCross. It's a figure series developed by Bandai. In the second round, featuring the Gundam series, 4 types of figures. It's available at toy stores, department stores, electronic retails, online stores, and other locations across Japan. Each figure will be available with a price tag of 1,870 yen. And types are the following: BlockCross Unicorn Gundam Destroy Mode, BlockCross Gundam Aerial, BlockCross Gquuuuuux, and BlockCross Night Gundam.